Are you looking for a more manageable, stress-free lifestyle in retirement? I'm Julie Sabby and I'll show you why 55 plus communities might just be the key to making your dream retirement a reality. First off, one of the biggest perks of these communities is the low maintenance living. Say goodbye to time-consuming chores like exterior upkeep, lawn care, snow removal. That means you have more time to focus on what truly matters, whether it's your favorite hobbies, new adventures, or simply enjoying a more relaxing, carefree lifestyle. Another huge benefit is accessibility. As we age, easy living becomes essential, and 55 plus communities are designed with that in mind. Many feature single-story homes or homes with the accessibility features that make life smoother and safer. It's all about creating a space where everyday living is both convenient and enjoyable. But what's retirement without new friendships? 55 plus communities are filled with people just like you, people who share similar interests and life experiences. The sense of connection and camaraderie is real, and it's easy to form meaningful relationships with your neighbors. Now let's talk about fun. These communities offer an abundance of amenities, from clubhouses to fitness centers to swimming pools, golf courses, and endless social events. Whether you want to join a book club, take a fitness class, or simply enjoy community get-togethers, there's always something happening that matches your lifestyle. Safety is a priority in 55 plus communities too. Many have gated entrances, security patrols, and well-lit streets, giving you peace of mind while fostering a strong sense of community. And of course, convenience matters. Many 55 plus communities are located near healthcare facilities, hospitals, and medical offices, making it easy to manage your health as you age. Plus, you'll find plenty of educational opportunities, lectures, workshops, and classes to keep your mind sharp and engaged. Finally, the homes themselves are thoughtfully designed with accessibility in mind. From wider doorways to no-step entries, every detail is created to make life more comfortable and functional as mobility needs change. If you're excited to learn more about how a 55 plus community could be the next perfect step for you, I'm here to help. Subscribe to my channel for more tips, insights, and advice on downsizing and finding the perfect retirement community for your unique needs and lifestyle. As a licensed realtor in Minnesota with Vikings Homes brokered by eXp Realty, I specialize in helping seniors simplify their lives by finding homes that are easier to maintain. No stairs, less upkeep, and more time to enjoy life. Whether it's decluttering, coordinating the move, or finding that perfect new home, I'm here with you every step of the way. Let me help you navigate this transition with ease. Give me a call at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. Together, we'll make your downsizing experience smooth, stress-free, and successful.